What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the Tesla Model Y trunk ambient light kit by Hansshow. This is the bright white. I think there's also a warm tone color, the 3000K if you so choose. They also sell this for the Model 3 for the trunk as well. But literally it's a 10-minute, 15-minute install. Tucks in behind the weather seal, and it's powered by the 12-volt socket in the rear of the Model Y, so there's no worry about having to power this into the battery or cut wires, etc. It's super affordable, it's not too expensive, and again it takes 10 minutes to install. What's really nice is that when you open up the trunk it turns on automatically, and then when it's closed it shuts off automatically with its magnetic closure for a seamless experience. There's no having to plug it in and unplug it when you leave the car. As you can see, for the install you're literally going to start where the power port is. I start at the bottom, working my way through, just pull back the weather seal, run the light strip through the rubber seal all the way around. It literally takes 10 minutes, and once you hit the end you might have a little bit of excess, just tuck it behind the weather seal there. And then the little tricky part here is to line up that magnetic switch that goes right to the side of the trunk of the Model Y. You have to line up. You can see here where I'm positioning that magnetic dot there that turns on the lights and turns it off. I used a piece of painter's tape that lines up with the trunk just to get an idea of where I need to place this. Again, they give you 3 or 4 sticky adhesive tape sections for this magnetic switch, and it gives you a few tries to find the right position. Once you do, just stick it on there. It's very subtle. It's not like it's gonna stick out like a sore thumb when the trunk is open. You won't even notice it when it's there. And then once you have it lined up correctly, you'll notice here when I close the trunk, the light turns off, and then when I reopen it, the light turns back on. Super easy, again, not too expensive. You can use my coupon code below for an extra dollar amount off at checkout. Overall, this Hansshow trunk ambient light kit is a fantastic upgrade for your Model Y. It's practical, stylish, and very budget friendly compared to the other aftermarket mods. If you're looking to add some flair and functionality to your trunk, this is a solid pick. Have you tried this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until the next video, stay safe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.